Yo guys, what's up? This video is going to be about how you can get a QBCore server, how you can... Actually, I'm not going to do port forward in this video, I'll do it next video. And how you install plugins and scripts and cars, things like that to your QBCore server, and downloading everything you need for it. So first, you want to create a QBCore, you just want to create a normal folder. Name this whatever you want. I'm gonna just name it Cuckoo RP. Do whatever you want. You can have capitals. I'm not really doing it though. Then in the folder, you want to create another folder named server. And then again, you want to create another folder, but this one will be named server data. Once you've done this, you can just minimize that for now. And in the first link in the description, you should see this, the 5M build master, whatever it is. So you don't want to. I don't think you should click on the latest recommended. I think you should just download the latest version, which is this right here. So you just click download on that, and you just open that. Make sure you got WinRAR installed. You know what? I'll put that in the description as well. But what you want to do with all this, you just make sure you got this folder open. And what you want to do is you want to press Control I on all this, and you should highlight it all. And then you just want to drag it and drop into the server file, not server data, server. Once that's done, you can close out of that. Make sure you keep this. You can just keep on coming back to the video to get onto this, because soon your server will be outdated, and in another tutorial I'll show you how to update your server. Next, you want to click onto the server where the files you just downloaded are, and scroll down until you see the fxserver.exe. You want to double click that. Right. And yeah, it'll bring you to a page like this. So if it doesn't, well, it should anyways. You just press link account. Or if it doesn't come up with a code already, you can just go back onto your command prompt and it just says there. We're not going to do zap hosting because I'm not buying a brand new server just for the tutorial. But I'll show you guys in another video. But for now, you can just put your old emails in. This is my real email, but I don't care. Because I've got it so every time someone sends something to me, it auto deletes and it just gets rid. But if you do have any questions, just join our server's Discord. Our server has not been released yet, but it will be, and it's gonna have a lot of cool plugins. Right, now that's done. Just put in any password you want. Click on that. Make sure you remember that password. Probably don't need it, but just do it anyways. And then you just want to click on create the master account. It'll bring you to this interesting page, but before you do anything else, you want to click the second link, which will be the XAMP. You want to download Windows. Yeah, just download this one here. And then you'll say download success or whatever. And my download has not started, so I'll just click there. And then just wait for it to download. Yeah, whatever guys, just wait for that. And then as you'll see, yeah, it just downloads. So now you guys are completely free to just click out of that. If you do click out of it and you still need it, just go back to the description, reopen it. And if you've got any questions, just ask in the comments. Then you want to open this and you want to click yes. If it comes up for you guys, that is. And then, yeah, that's fine. Right, and then you just want to click next. This stuff is all fine. You just want to click next once again. And that next again. Oh yeah, I've already got that folder, haven't I? Oh, that's weird. Alright guys, it shouldn't be happening for you, but since I've done it multiple times, just open it with that one. It is empty. Don't do what I'm doing, guys, please. Exam. Oh, God. Right. English, set this to all of you. Obviously, you're English, most likely. Just click next. The setup is ready to begin installing next AMP on your computer. Next. Now it's doing all that interesting things. And if you want to open the folder, you just go to like XAMP. Actually, you probably got to type in your folder, but folders. Oh, it's probably creating the folder now, anyways. Right, so I'm gonna pause it, and then once it's done downloading, I'll say the next steps. Alright, oops. As you can see, the download is almost done. Yeah. So it's finished. I'm gonna start the control panel now. Just keep that box ticked. Just press finish. Right, now you'll see this stuff. You don't enable all of them. Just enable the Apache and the MySQL. And now what you want to do is you want to click admin on the MySQL. Don't click admin on that. Click admin on this one. And it'll bring you to this. You guys should have all this, whatever. You just click on new. Database name. Now, I prefer not to use capital letters. Just don't. But please don't use any spaces. So for me, cuckoo dash RP, I'll just do underscore. It's easy to remember. Cuckoo underscore RP, no spaces because it will not work. And just in case you do forget, just copy it. So you can name this whatever you want. Say like, you want your server to be named Boggle. And then you want at the end of it RP. You don't want to just put RP there. You want to like do underscore RP like that. But mine is cuckoo underscore RP, and that's what it is going to be. I just want to copy that. Then you just want to click create right there, and it'll bring you to this. As you see, there is nothing there, as in there shouldn't be. There will be stuff there soon. And then, if you're not using that, you can just close out of it, by the way. And then you want to download this, the Heidi. Actually, no, we'll do a. Actually, no, we'll just do this one first. Doesn't really matter. Right, just click onto downloads. Actually, it's probably. Nah, that's good. Right, you just want to click on this one. And yeah, it'll start downloading the setup and whatever. Almost done. And guys, like I said, make sure this is always running when you open your server. Always running. You want it to constantly run because this is your database. This is what transfers your database to that and your Hardy school thing. You can close out of it, but every time like you turn off your computer or something, just yeah, whatever. Right. You don't have to read any of that. Just I agree. Yeah, whatever. Yep, yep, yep. And it's downloading and whatever, and then you just click finish, and it'll open this interesting thing. You want to click new, and you know the name you were supposed to copy earlier. You just press Control V, and it'll just be there. Or you can like just go back, make sure you copy the exact name, and then yeah, you just click open on it, it'll save my name, click open, and yeah, there's nothing in here, nothing in there, nothing in there. Oh, there is, but that's just a PHP admin. Performance things, that's just whatever. Yeah, there's not much in there right now. There should be things in all of them, like the QBCore itself, nothing in there. So you can just close out of that now, and then the MariaDB, you can close out of that too. You want to just click download. This will also, everything is in the description, everything you need. And once this is done, you want to click open file, next, I accept, whatever. Right, just create the new database. I don't think you should do anything with that. Root password. I don't think we have to do that, do we? Hmm. That's what we do. Make sure you remember that at the top of your head. Maybe I'll put in like a notepad and save it as password for MariaDB. Then you just wanna click next. Next again. Oh. It's already in use. I've already done this, but you just keep it as MariaDB. So yeah, that would be MariaDB, whatever. Don't do what I just did. And yeah, install it, and then don't really do anything with it, to be honest. Press cancel. Yes. Yes. Close out of that again. Now you can name your server. So mine will be cuckoo. Actually, I'll do cancels. Cuckoo. You can do finger spaces with this, by the way. After deployment type, today we're going to be doing the QBCore server, so I'll click on popular recipes and the QBCore framework. And if you've done what I've done, you change the path up to your server name, which is right there. And as you can see in our folder, it's server data. If you don't trust yourself and you think you'll type it wrong, just copy it and paste it right there, and then press save. And then you go to your recipe deployer, click on next, do not touch any of that, and now this is where you guys get your keymaster. So you just click onto your keymaster. Yeah, I'll do this. I'll just sign in, and then look, these are my keys. So I'm gonna pause it for now, but all you guys gotta do is you go onto the new server, display name, put out whatever you want. Mine will obviously be QQRP, new IP address. So you go into your web browser and type in what's my IP, nothing is space, and it'll just come up. Then you copy it and paste it into there. Pick your server type. If you like me and you're hosting it to the outer world, you just want to click on like dedicated server or something like that. It doesn't really matter, but just click on it. I'm gonna pause it for now because my key is obviously private. I don't want anyone to see it, so I'll just pause it. I'm actually copy it by the way. Alright guys, I've copy and pasted my key. It generates a key automatically and I just put it in here. Yep. So now you have a look at this. You want to change this to your database name. You know your database name. It is that cuckoo underscore RP for me. So cuckoo underscore RP. Make sure you spell it right. No finger spaces, nothing like that. And delete database. Well, there's not a database that exists. Name that. And your database password. Leave all this. It's useless. And then you run the recipe. And it'll start downloading some things. Very interesting. And then if you open your server folder, you'll see it's now downloading things. That'll all change, it doesn't work like that, but yeah, QBCore, things like that. Just let it do its own thing. And yeah, you just let it run. By the way guys, our Discord server is in the description. Also, ooh, why am I in here? Whatever. This is our Discord server. It's still growing. We only opened this like a few days ago. Most of the people are asleep right now. But yeah, it's a very interesting Discord server. We have like applications, state trooper, EMS. I'll change that to EMS and the police. I'm adding like MDTs and everything to it, so it looks pretty good. Yeah. So if you guys want to join, you don't have to be active or nothing, but it's just a nice thing to do to help a small community grow, I suppose. Join if you want. Like if you want to ask questions about all this server stuff, or what video you want next, or private tutorials, like one-to-one. or even if you want to purchase scripts, we'll also have all that on our TEBX site. I don't have it right now, obviously, because hold on, this is my TEBX. These are just used as my menus, but I'm gonna make a new TEBX directly for this, just to help you guys out. I'm just doing this. You guys can skip forwards because it just take a bit. Now, if you click onto your server, and once it's done, you'll see it all has changed, and it'll bring up a little window there. You make sure this is always running when your server's online. If you don't have a server host, you just gotta leave your PC on all night. See, look, it brings this up. So, if you just close out of that right now and open our server, you'll see that there's resources, QB, it's like a built-in server for you. But there's obviously things you want to change, like cars you want to add, things like that. But for now, we just go into this, click next. Do not touch this if you do not know what you're doing. So, this all looks pretty nice. Obviously, I'm going to change this. You guys do not touch anything if you don't know what you're doing. So, I'm going to just change this because I don't want that to be my host name. My host name is Cuckoo RP. Wow, it's amazing. I'll change this to, I know what I'm doing. So, this is a friendly, oh, spelled that wrong. Friendly server with great plugins and this is the server meant for 13 plus so yeah, this is a friendly server with great plugins. It is non-serious RP and a great server for content. Full stop. And yeah, that's it. You guys don't touch any of that, like I just said, because all your tags too. You guys don't have to do any of these. I'm just doing it for the sake of it. Police, AMS, MDT, just mechanic. Content. You guys can skip forwards if you don't want to do any of this thing or any of this stuff. But I'm just doing it. Saves me going into the server config in a bit and doing it all, so I can't be bothered. So yeah, you guys should have just clicked save and run the server, and yeah, when it starts for the first time, it takes a bit longer. That's not real error. It's just currently building up the server, sort of. See, just building it all the dependencies, all the interesting things. It looks all pretty cool. Now, I'm obviously going to have all this, you don't have to have this open, guys, but if you click on this now, it's all in here, all of it. So yeah, you don't have to keep this open all the time, but that's just your database. And now I'm going to show you how to get some pretty amazing scripts in the next video. But for now, let's just have a look. And our little server's going to be done soon. The next video is going to be how you can port forward your server so people can actually play on it and see it. So say when I am logging, and I'll show you, you guys how to make a logo for your server. See, look, I'll just type in. I don't think it's up just yet. Yeah, my server's not up just yet, as it's not gonna be, because it's still building. But in the next video, I'll show you guys how to pull forward your server. Actually, no, I don't think I'm gonna show you that. Because if anything gets exposed, I could have my network and servers at risk, so I'm not gonna do that. Unless you guys come into the Discord and start asking for it, how do you pull forward, then I will do it. I'll do a detailed tutorial. But for now, if you've got any questions about anything, come into the Discord. It's in the description. It'll be in the description of all my future videos, and you just maybe just make a ticket or something. Tickets, just open one, and then ask what you need. Or support. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure the server should be ready. It looks like it. So now if we open 5M, you guys should see server, but no one else is going to because you haven't brought forwarded. If I just type in yep, right there, it's my server. If you're the owner, as you are, of your own server, just click on LAN. And it'll load you in for the first time, then loading things, some interesting stuff. And I'll show you guys all of the basic commands and things like that. And very interesting things. Having your own server is a good way you can make money, but because you can really make money by selling scripts or having donations, because it does get you a lot, or you can get people to buy in-game things like money through like Tebex. So yeah, you'll be able to create your character. So some mods, United Kingdom, whatever. Set your day of birth or whatever you want. Just create a character. And there's lots and lots of visual pads. It won't look like this because I've installed special graphics. But yeah, this is all pretty cool and amazing. See, look. So it's all pretty cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna get into all this right now. Just leave our apartment. I'll be showing you guys how to install a more realistic map because this stuff's kind of ass. There's no postals, it's not realistic. Yeah, so all the basic commands, I mean, if you're an admin, then to get your ID, just do /ID by the way. And it says 1, so /give money 1, money type, cash, amount, whatever. And see, I get money. We can do /give item 1. What can I give myself? You know what? Iron. 1,000 iron. See? And yeah, this inventory is ugly, and I'll be showing you guys how to get a better one and a better chat box. I'll be showing everything: a better hospital, a better prison, better everything for your server. I'm not so sure about the cars because you can't really use that much cars because of virtual space and physical memory for your server. If you've got server hosting that has some space, it'll run really well. But if you don't, and you're like me right now, don't got enough money for a server hoster, just do this. People can still play on your servers. You can get amazing plugins. But yeah. So I'm pretty sure that wraps it up, but if you want to get into anime, just do /tx, no clipping, bug, yeah, whatever. That is all the same. So you can press space, and you can go into this. Cool things, but you can do /admin too. Admin options, no clip, drive, invisible, things like that. Vehicle, spawn vehicle. You can spawn pretty much anything. Oh, they've changed it all now. That's so cool. Haha. Oh, it don't work. A tank! I'll show you guys how to get the delete all vehicle command. Aww. Oh, he's all scared. Hold on. Alright, slash DV to get rid of it. Oh. 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 Alright, so that pretty much wraps it all up for today. I'm gonna be releasing another video on how you get plugins. Literally, I'll be making a video right now. For now, I'm gonna figure out I'm posting this one. Ooh, dog. Oh. Fucking have you, mate. No witnesses. No witnesses. Oi! No, it's still alive. Get your ass over here. Ah, yeah!
What the hell?
Oh, I don't wanna. Oh, can I not revive you? And you should have the RP emotes. No, so if you press F4, you want the emotes, animal emotes, block, pig, whatever. Incorrect pet models because you're not a dog, maybe. But yeah, that wraps it up for the video. See you guys in the next one. If you want to know commands, go into the Discord once again. Goodbye.